In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make the most of Amazon Pay cashback. First, let's start by heading over to the Amazon website, which is the first step in accessing your Amazon Pay features. Once you're on Amazon.com, you'll want to click on the Sign In button. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page, and clicking it will prompt you to enter your login details. If you've reached the sign in page, go ahead and enter your email address. After you've filled that out, click Continue. This step ensures your account is secure and ready for the next steps. Now it's time to enter your password. Once entered, click Sign In. Your credentials will then grant you access to your account. To start using Amazon Pay cashback, you'll first need to ensure that you have eligible cashback offers. These offers can vary, so it's always a good idea to check your notifications or emails for any specific promotional offers you might have received. Next, it's crucial to meet the offer's terms and conditions. Oftentimes, these conditions are clearly outlined alongside the offer details, and abiding by them will ensure that your cashback is correctly applied. Once you've met all the criteria for an eligible cashback offer, the amount you earn will be credited directly to your Amazon Pay balance. This is typically done in the form of an Amazon gift card. If you're wondering what to do with this balance, consider using it for future purchases on Amazon. It's a seamless way to save a little extra money on items you were already planning on buying. However, Amazon doesn't restrict you to its platform alone. You can also use your Amazon Pay balance at partner merchants that accept Amazon Pay. This expands your options and lets you shop from a variety of retailers while still taking advantage of the rewards you've earned. Finally, to discover new cashback offers, simply navigate to the rewards page within the Amazon Pay section. This page is basically your gateway to exploring all available offers. It's a great habit to check this page often so you don't miss out on any exciting opportunities to earn more cashback. Plus, it's an excellent way to keep track of what offers are about to expire and which ones are new and worth your attention. By following these steps, you should be well on your way to fully utilizing Amazon Pay cashback to its greatest potential. Happy shopping, and don't forget to keep an eye on those rewards to make every purchase even more rewarding.